Dead reckoning. It is the typical standalone technique that sailors commonly used in earlier times before the development of satellite navigation. To determine the current position, DR incrementally integrates the distance traveled and the direction of travel relative to a known start position. Dead reckoning is the process of determining one's present position by projecting courses and speeds from a known past position, and predicting a future position by projecting courses and speeds from a known present position. The DR position is only an approximate position because it does not allow for the effect of leeway, current, helmsman error, or compass error. So the use of dead reckoning is to help determining sunrise and sunset, in predicting landfall, sighting lights, and predicting arrival times, and in evaluating the accuracy of electronic positioning information. So I have learned that dead reckoning in navigation, it is the process of calculating the current position of a moving object by using a previously determined position, or fix, and incorporating estimates of speed, heading, and elapsed time. So, estimated position. This is the most accurate position that can be obtained by calculation and estimation only. It is derived from DR position with allowance made for the effects of currents and tidal streams. Again, it is an approximate position only. I have learned that how to calculate estimated positions. The first step is to construct a DR plot. The second step is obtain bearing to an object, plot to establish a single LOP. And the third step is draw a line at a 90 degrees angle to the LOP line passes through the DR position. And the fourth step is estimated position is the point on the LOP and the 90 degrees line originates from. So, running fix. When only one navigational aid is available from which to obtain bearings, use a technique known as the running fix. So, the methods in obtaining a running fix is first is to plot a bearing to a navigational aid, line of position 1. Then plot a second bearing to a navigational aid, either the same navigational aid or a different one at a later time, line of position 2. Advance LOP1 to the time when LOP2 was taken. The intersection of LOP2 and the advanced LOP1 consider the running fix. So, I have learned that the running fix is a method of coastal navigation position fixing. It incorporates the use of an estimated position along with bearings of charted objects. Using bearings as well as an EP makes this more accurate than EP alone. Although it looks complicated, the running fix is surprisingly straightforward to plot. The first thing to do is identify some objects or features on the coast that can be clearly identified on the chart. The last one is fixed position. To construct our position fix, we need two of these lines of position to intersect each other. Fix is the initial element of the ship's navigational and dead reckoning plot. A fix is a ship position on the earth at some given point in time. A fix is determined by simultaneous intersection of LOPs. So, position fixing interval is the maximum interval between two position fixes. So, there are primary method of position fixing. One of the element of passage is to identify the primary and secondary method of position fixing at the edge leg of the passage. Now, at open sea, the primary method is GPS and the secondary method would be celestial fix. So, if there is radar conspicuous object, the primary method of the position fixing becomes the radar fix, and secondary in this case would be the GPS. So, if its visible primary method becomes the visual fix, in this case, secondary method will be radar fix. The idea is that visual fix gets the highest priority followed by radar fix, and radar fix gets the priority over GPS. So,